Ready, set, go. My name is Josh with Blackfish AI, and today we're here with day one of Viviana's build project. Viviana is going to be a VAPI agent that is going to help us build more VAPI agents. Now, the goal today is just to build the system prompt generator, and what I'm gonna do is essentially reverse engineer Liam's system prompt generator here in Relevance, so then we can activate it with API. So, um, now what's kind of annoying here is that I can't see the build. See, it kicks me off, but I can see it for long enough to know that there's two LLM steps. I assume it's ChatGPT, because when I look at the logs, running it has not been cheap. Most of my relevance tools I've been able to run for 1/10 of the cost of this, in fact. So, hopefully we can make this recreation a little cheaper while we're at it. Now, what I'm going to do here is just say I'd like some help reverse engineering this, a tool that designs system prompts. The tool runs through two different LLM steps before sending its response. I have the logs here. And we're just going to input all the information that I have from a past execution. Okay, so we have the finished prompt here. Now, I added the instructions at the beginning because I've found that with these longer prompts, if you save the actual instructions for the end, sometimes the LLM won't know exactly what to do. So I'm just saying reverse engineer both LLM steps, write prompts for each. If one or both of them require a message from the user and another from the system, be sure to include all applicable messages. I thought that might be a good note to include here because, since this tool is so expensive to run, I can't be surprised if something a bit more complex than meets the eye is going on there, you know? So, let's run this and see what it does. Reverse engineering of the two. Okay. Takes the raw input from the user and structures it into a clear role definition, key objectives, and communication guidelines. Huh. Alright. 25 to 35-year-old owners of business. Yeah. Yeah, that sounds right. Important rules. Qualifying criteria. guidelines for conversation flow. Okay. Generating the final call script. This step takes the structured AI agent definition, and expands it into a fully formatted conversation script. It includes mandatory phrasing, natural flow, and conversation steps, qualification steps. And qualification steps. So let's see. Prompt for step 2, system message, expert in outbound sales and customer engagement. Oh, okay. This is what both LLM steps are for. So one of them uh, essentially generates the system prompt, and then the second step just generates the script version of the system prompt. Okay, interesting. All right, well, I guess our next step is to plug this into an automation and see what we get. Okay, so you can see that we have recreated the tool in Make using our approximations of the prompts. Um, of course, this is recreated in Make rather than Relevance. I figured that was better because, this is the platform I know. It also happens to be the one that I'm paying for. Um, but it doesn't support manual activation of AI tools the same way Relevance does, for example. So we've got to go to a third-party service like Postman here. Now, I've already set up all the request body and things like that. So we can theoretically just hit send here, and perhaps we'll get a system prompt. The fact that it's taking longer is very good, actually, because most ChatGPT. Here we go. Okay, so it just gave us the call script for Kalani, which is pretty awesome. But I think it does mean that we need a third LLM step to put the system prompt together with the. Let's see what we got in Make. What did Kalani's system prompt look like? Objective. Okay. Interesting. I like that it's in markdown format already. That's quite helpful. I worried that I was going to have to ask it to. Okay. So we also need to change it so then it doesn't have the introduction and conclusion paragraphs, like it just gives us the system prompt. Iterate to success, baby. Alright. Just the system prompt in markdown format. Perfect. We save that. Now let's add one more OpenAI module. Generate a completion prompt. And here we go. Let's just run it through 4.0 mini. Add message from the user. Here's a system prompt and call script for an AI voice agent. Please put them together. Do not respond with introduction or conclusion text. Just with the system prompt, including the call script. System prompt, I should say, just with the system prompt, including the call script in markdown format. Okay, call script. Okay, so we want the result for this one here. And that one there. Okay. Let's save the scenario. Make sure it's turned on. And let's run this one more time. This is gonna take a minute, because now we need responses from 3 ChatGPTs. So, longer than 30 seconds to fulfill. Use another agent to send a request without time. Okay, interesting. I wonder if, yeah, see, the execution itself was successful. Now let's see what it would have sent back if it weren't for Postman's time limitations. Kalani AI agent call script. It just gives us that. Oh, that's because I didn't fix the webhook response to send the response from this module instead of that one. That was that problem. Okay. Now what about this one? Kalani AI agent prompt objective. Kalani's primary objective is to assist business owners aged 25 to 35 understanding integrating AI into their operations. Okay. Good, good. This needs a little bit of work, but I like where we're headed. I really like where we're headed. Okay. Okay, this is good. I'm liking this. So, if you'd like to learn more about Viviana's development as we go ahead with this project, please be sure to leave a like and share your thoughts with the class. And before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. I'll see you guys next time.
Grind the stone till it bleeds black. Claw my name on the edge of night. To be seen, heard, no turning back. Flames rise in the twilight.